Part 1, Mexico. In this short video, I'm going to tell you what it costs to drive in Mexico, the road conditions, a gallon of gas, what the prices are, the conditions of the road. Also, I'm going to show you how we packed on our little journey here. So hop aboard and we'll take a little journey through Mexico with us, and I'll give you some more information about what you can expect to travel in Mexico, and especially driving. Jerry Brown with Jerry Brown's Travels here, and
this is Lori Brown. We're gonna traveling to Mexico together.
We're heading off to Mexico. We decided to go for a 3 to 5 year plan and set up a home base there. And what our objective is today is to pack up the car. So we are not packing light at all. We're taking household supplies, we're taking clothes, we're taking linens, we're just taking everything that we may need there to rent a house and set up a home base there. So come along with us on this travel, and let's start off with this packaging day. See if we can manage to get all the stuff in our little CR-V Honda. We're able to fit everything in. We're packed in so tight, but I can see out the rear view mirror, so everything's safe. And we got brand new tires on the car. We got everything lubed up, everything oil changed. So we're ready to rock and roll. So we're heading off to Mexico, and come along on this 3 to 5 year journey. And also we're going to be traveling outside of Mexico, and we'll show you further plans on our other travels. But for right now, we're starting another journey into the world of Mexico, and we'll probably end up in Central America and South America on this 3 to 5 year journey. So as you see, we got everything packed up here, and I think we got everything in. I think we did very well. Yeehaw! We just got past the border check. We came across the border in Nogales. We had to drive about 20 miles, and we have to check in with the Mexican authorities. We need to get a tourist card, we need to get a permit for the car, and we needed to pay a deposit, and we did all of that. And now we're into Mexico legally. We got our permit for the car, we got our own tourist visas, and so we're heading down, and we can breathe easily now. I always sort of hold my breath going through the processes working with the Mexican government, because you never know, you know what I mean, exactly what's going to happen. And of course, it's a challenge in the aspect that we really don't speak much Spanish, and so there's always that challenge. But we made it. We're happy. We're on the road here. We're heading south, so we'll keep you posted as we go. And I say again, yeehaw! We're so happy to be in Mexico. Let's talk about the prices here in Mexico for gasoline. So per liter, you can figure it's about 13 pesos per liter, and then times that by 4, comes out to about $3.05 a gallon. Now the toll roads to drive 1,200 miles from the border to Mazatlan is $35 to $40 for the toll roads, and they're great, very easy to drive. You can drive actually about 70 miles an hour on them, and also the convenience stores are also very convenient. Good food, reasonably prices, probably a lot, 10%, no, probably about 20% cheaper than in the States, and they have clean restrooms, so it's really a good value as you're driving here in Mexico. And the people are very, you know, cooperative. They give you directions if you get lost. Now we like to use a GPS, and that helps us to keep on track, because some of the roads do get a little confusing. Come along with us on this journey through Mexico. It's a 3 to 5 year journey. Follow us on our YouTube channel, see a lot of the videos that we have posted, and subscribe and follow us weekly. Jerry Brown here with Jerry Brown Travel. What is this thing going on right here? Please subscribe. Please subscribe.